Hello friends, on my way home from work tonight I saw this magnificent piece of automotive history. This video was captured by my car's dashcam as I came up behind it, and I deliberately followed it around this country lane so I could get a good view of it. It turns out that it's a 1909 Stanley Steamer, resplendent with its acetylene lighting and trailing a steam exhaust behind it, as you can see. What's not so apparent, probably from this video, is it was making quite a decent turn of speed, which I wasn't expecting. But then again, I wasn't expecting to see it at all. I was absolutely gobsmacked, and I still am. But I thought I'd upload it onto my channel and just share this view with you all. And I hope you just like seeing it, as indeed I did. The dash cam doesn't record any sound, so I'll just leave you now to enjoy the rest of this short video. Cheerio for now.